Sir, yung allegations ni dating Congressman Zaldico, natalakay ba siya sa hearing niyo today?
Yes po. May
Anong...
Well, again, I will just repeat my statement that it's pure fabrication and pure lies. It's one that it's a move that reads a desperation. It's a political ploy, and I've already attributed it to attempts at destabilization.
So is that at all possible? Yung scenario na sinasabi ni Tong Po na may 50 billion kang pati kay sa father mo na inutusan niya allegedly sila Peter?
Honestly, to my knowledge, no, it's not possible.
Why?
Because first of all, the executive was last Music Institute, and secondly, the allegations are untrue. I did not any such a thing. Kung nakikita niyo po yung listahan, may mga project dyan sa Davao City nakalagay, nakalista sa Davao City. Alam naman natin sino nakatira doon, ba't pa ako manlalagay ng Colex noon? Sana naman pag-aralan nila naman. But in any case, it's really not, it's like I said, it's just an attempt.
So the ICI investigate their father kasi may mga statements si Zaldico.
I don't want to speak on behalf of the ICI, you're gonna have to ask them.